What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Little mail call today. See what we got. Yeah, I think I'll just take everything out. All kinds of things. Alright. Let's see. Let's just push this away real quick. Start off with this, I guess. EBL 9-volt battery charger. I've been going through a whole bunch of 9-volt batteries, and as everyone knows, those things don't last very long. So yeah, I got me gonna try some lithium 9-volt. See if they see how well they do. This is my first time using EBL or lithium ion 9-volt, so yeah, I like this case. That's pretty nice. Decent little charger. Had a bunch of positive reviews on Amazon, so this time will tell. Yep, got some flux. Big old liter of flux. Got me a refillable flux pen with that. Those flux pens are extremely expensive, and they only have like 10 cc's in it. They don't last very long. And supposedly you can buy new tips and everything for this ESD safe. It's 2 ounces. I guess we'll find out if it works or not. Also got a ESD safe. I didn't realize it was going to be ESD safe, but little alcohol dispenser. Nice. It's Minda. What else we got here? Some interconnects for some new lights I've been putting up in the shop. Been waiting on this for a minute. And what else we got here? Well, maybe. Really don't make it easy to get in stuff like this. What do we got here? This is a little LED display, volt and amps. And I just realized they don't have the clamp for the full ferret thing for the amps. I don't know if it needs it in this or not. I guess I'll find out. But it's for a power supply I'm getting ready to make. Probably do a video of that. Got some tip tinning stuff. I don't know what this stuff is, but for tinning your soldering iron tip. Nice. Ah, damn, that thing's on there. Oh, it's taped, that's why. I guess I'll open it later. And the last thing. Actually, it's not the last thing. It's one more thing after this. This is a cheap Chinese voltage reference for my digital multimeters. It's got 2.5, 5, 7 and 7.5 and 10 volt. And oh, it's even got a little lithium battery in there, huh? Isn't that interesting? I thought it took a 9 volt. I don't know how well this will work, but I figured it's be something to play with. And last but not least, a new soldering iron. It's a 0.04 chisel tip. It's a Ursa. I think that's it. Alright. Yeah, I do believe that's it. Alright. Comment, subscribe, like below. Talk to you next time.